Hello friends, welcome to my another video. In this kitchen and home review, we tested Amazon kitchen gadgets, so you don't have to. We always like to add innovation to our videos. So if you like the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel and comment, and share. These smart gadgets make cooking simple, fast, and stress-free for everyone. Perfect for beginners, busy parents, and home chefs who love practical solutions. From chopping to storing, these tools make every step easier. Trending now on Amazon, TikTok, and Temu, and they actually work. Each product is affordable, durable, and designed for everyday cooking needs. Say goodbye to complicated gadgets and hello to effortless. So let's start the video. Auto electric can opener. Effortless can opening, hands-free operation, smoothly opens cans with minimal effort. Easy operation. Open almost any cans with our electric can opener. Press the button to start. Cuts cleanly along the side of cans, leaving smooth edges. Press the button again to stop. Thoughtful gift idea. A practical and versatile gift for family and friends, suitable for kitchen enthusiasts and anyone seeking convenience. Smooth edge design. The blade cuts along the side of the can, reducing food contact, prevents spills and leaves smooth, rounded edges. User-friendly design. Ergonomic design allows for strain-free use. Ideal for elderly individuals and those with limited hand strength. Convenient cooking. Save energy and simplify meal prep with a tool designed for easy and efficient use. Electric salt and pepper grinder. One-handed smart operation with precision grinding. Experience effortless seasoning mill with the one-key switch, gravity sensor, and LED light trio. This intuitive design allows one-handed operation over grinding intensity and quantity, perfect for busy cooking scenarios. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort during extended use. Rechargeable battery plus quiet motor. The rechargeable salt and pepper grinder set powered by dual 650 mAh Type-C rechargeable batteries. 1+ hour runtime. Say goodbye to disposable batteries. The 800 RPM plus or minus 10% motor delivers fast grinding while maintaining 65 dB noise at 0.5 m distance. Ideal for quiet kitchen environments. Safe, hygienic kitchen essential. Featuring an upgraded anti-collision base, this grinder prevents accidental damage and eliminates short-circuit risks in constantly charging bases, while reducing power consumption for energy efficiency. Crafted with food-grade 304 stainless steel and BPA-free ABS for safe food. Vegetable washing bowl. Fruit strainer container with lid. The fruit washing bowl with a strainer features a sealed drainage switch and a hollow mesh design, allowing for quick and thorough cleaning of fruits and vegetables. Quality materials. Fruit strainer made from high-quality PP materials. The fruit drainer container is sturdy, durable, and easy to clean. It helps keep fruits and veggies fresh even at low temperatures, ensuring a healthy, fresh snack anytime. 2-in-1 drain basket. This multifunctional fruit and vegetable washing bowl comes with a built-in 2-in-1 design. The inner drainage tray prevents your fruits and vegetables from sitting in water, helping to preserve their freshness for longer. Air fryer. Innovative TurboBlaze technology delivers a powerful 3,600 RPM fan speed and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, achieving beyond crispy, juicy perfection in every main dish. Advanced airflow and precise temperature control deliver evenly cooked side dishes with perfectly balanced texture in every bite. Kosaurus' unique 5-fan speed system and precise 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit temperature control deliver professional-grade versatility, creating exceptional dishes across all functions with just one basket. Enjoy the same crispy textures as traditional deep frying with up to 95% less oil star. Enjoy all your favorite fried foods without the guilt. Included user manual, chef-created 30-recipe cookbook with pictures, cooking charts. Please be sure to check before discarding the box so you don't miss out on these helpful resources. Classic pizza wheel. Slice pizza like a pro. Pizza restaurants use a roller cutter like this one. The sharp blade makes a clean cut in any crust and, unlike using a knife, actually presses the crust and toppings together, keeping the toppings on your pizza. Super sharp blade. The wheel is crafted from high-quality, premium 430 stainless steel that will stay sharp and resist rust. It is perfect for slicing pizza, waffles, pies, or cookie dough. Ergonomic handle for comfort. The angled wheel allows optimal comfort and performance when slicing hot pizza straight out of the oven. The built-in finger guard protects your hands from both the blade and the heat. The sleek design of the handle gives it a premium feel as well. The glossy ABS handle features a debossed logo, as well as an ABS chrome-plated bolster and end cap. Dishwasher safe. No more worrying about how to clean stuck food from your pizza cutter. Simply place it in the dishwasher for a thorough full cleanup. Measuring cup. Set includes 1 cup, 2 cup, and 4 cup angled measuring cups. Patented angled surface allows you to read measurements from above. Eliminates the need to fill, check, and adjust. Standard and metric measurement markings. Soft, comfortable, non-slip handle. Cup made of BPA-free and food-safe Tritan Renew, which is made from certified recycled content through a mass balance allocation process that transforms plastics destined for landfills into high-performance, food-safe materials. Chicken breast shredder. Upgraded chicken shredder. Compared with the old chicken shredder, we have changed the inner shred structure and strong anti-slip strip. More effective and saves time. We do not worry about sliding away from our kitchen desks again. The flower appearance design and the transparent lid-add polka dots seem like a beautiful flower to bloom. Shredded meat in seconds. The meat machine built-in plastic teeth that cover the whole area, which can tightly clamp the food. The lid has extra spikes on the edge, which help meat gather the shredded meat in the middle, cutting it evenly. The tool is applied with an ergonomic handle and an anti-slip base, ensuring comfort and easy operation even during heavy use. These updated structure designs can make your cooking tasks more efficient. Balloon whisk. Fatigue-free mixing 8.5 plus 10.5 plus 12 thickened wire comfy non-slip grip made Annie whisk can be fatigue-free mixing. Proper balance between floppy and sturdy. More guaranteed than others. Great for non-stick pots, and PNSNE at Whisk have sturdy silicone protective cover, which is non-stick itself and won't scratch the non-stick coating in your pots and pans. Easy cleaning after using. Annie whisks are perfect with your cooking ware. SWFT, comfortable, non-slip handle Aniat innovative ergonomic handle shape and soft, comfortable grip to absorb pressure. Its excellent balance and control let you really feel the quality of Anite. HEAT-resistant durable healthy silicones are resistant to heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making them ideal for cooking almost any favorite food. Anite whisk won't discolor, warp, or melt. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe. Coffee maker. Strong brew. Increases the strength and bold taste of your coffee's flavor. 3 cup sizes. Brew in 8, 10, or 12 ounces cup at the push of a button. Multiple cup water reservoir. 42 ounces removable reservoir lets you brew up to 4 cups before refilling. 8 ounces cup size. Fast, fresh brewed. Delicious coffee made in minutes. Travel mug friendly. Removable drip tray accommodates travel mugs up to 7.4 inch tall. Energy efficient. Auto off feature turns off your coffee maker 5 minutes after the last brew, helping to save energy. Compatible with the My K-Cup Universal Reusable Coffee. Filter. Brew your own ground coffee, sold separately. Cast iron smashed burger press. Heavy-duty cast iron. 6.5 cast iron burger press ensures even pressure, creating juicy, flavorful smashed burgers every time. Perfect smash burger crust. Flat edge helps achieve crispy, caramelized edges for that classic smash burger taste. Versatile smashing. Ideal for use on griddles, skillets, and grills, making it perfect for both indoor cooking and outdoor cookouts. Easy to clean. This hamburger smasher tool can be cleaned by hand washing with warm water and mild soap for quick and hassle-free cleanup.